Hello English 11 students, and welcome to the video for week 7, day 1. This video is designed for those students who are absent from our live Zoom class. As a reminder, everything you say, do, or type is recorded, so please remember to keep it school appropriate. As always, there is no saving, downloading, or taking pictures of our class ever. If you look at our agenda, we're going to look over your rough draft feedback, then make any necessary edits and submit your op-ed final draft. As a quick heads up, right, day 2 of this week will focus on preparing for the progress check, which is what we're doing on day 1 of next week. All right, so let's get started. When you go to the English 11B homepage, click on this week's dates. You'll see that I've moved the op-ed common task rough draft under this week's dates to make it easier. Please go ahead and open that up. As a reminder, for those of you who may not have finished your rough draft, right, there are video instructions that are embedded at the top of the document that'll take you to this video that you're seeing here on the screen. They walk you through the process of completing your rough draft step by step. Watch the first step, pause the video, complete that step. Resume watching the video for step 2, pause the video, complete step 2, and then repeat that process until you've completed the draft. Okay, so if you take a look at this sample, right, what I did in your rough drafts is I gave you some notes, things to fix. Just some very quick last minute reminders and tips, right? Watch out for those capitalization and ending punctuation errors, right? There should be periods at the end of your sentences. People's names should be capitalized. All the quotes need to have a citation at the end. So for example, if I had the quote, she says, "What I thought of was me," I would have the author's last name in parentheses here at the end from where that's coming from. If you look at these very quick examples, right, like for the example, this one, I told the student this is a run-on. I advised them to just break this up into 2 or 3 sentences here. And this was something that came up a lot in many people's things. This is, the inspiration for my op-ed is an article I read earlier this year. And they were actually talking about the poem, right? That article, the word article is the wrong word, right? So you would just replace that with poem, right? Is a poem I read earlier this year. And et cetera, right? So just make sure that you read that feedback. If you have questions, please let me know or let Miss Deal know and we'll work with you to fix that. Please make your edits in the rough draft document, like actually just fix them right here. And then after you've gone through and made all of your edits, then you're going to copy and paste it into the final draft document. It just makes things much easier. When you look at the final draft document, it looks like this, right? You'll copy your work, the better version that you have from your rough draft after you make all your edits, right? Highlight this part right here and then just paste over top of it, okay? I've also included the rubric for this assignment at the bottom of the document. That way, after you submit it, you can kind of read through and ask yourself, have I done everything that I was supposed to do according to the ideas and evidence? Does my structure and coherence good? The style and my conventions, right? Your aim or your goal is to get a 5 in each of those categories, right? The highest possible score. And that's it. So your highest priority is turning in that final draft. It's due before midnight on Wednesday. It is a 200-point assignment. So please, please, please do everything in your power to make sure that what you turn in is the highest possible quality, right? It has the potential to improve your grade a lot. If you need help, Ms. Deal and I are available during student support, right, from 7:45 to 8:45 in the mornings. And our Wednesday academic check-in for our class is from 10:30 to 10:50. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in class soon.